Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. This is Francis Star here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make money on this platform. Okay, this platform is actually an investment platform, so the amount you're going to be making on this platform actually depends on the amount you invest. Okay, so I've seen a lot of withdrawal about this platform, so I decided to try it out. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna be investing just a little amount on this platform, and then in a few days time I'm gonna make another video and show you guys my withdrawal proof. Okay, I've actually checked out this website and I'm on their Telegram group and WhatsApp group. Okay, so I've seen a lot of withdrawals, so I decided to test this website out. Okay, so I'm just gonna scroll down and then show you what the platform looks like. Okay, so right here you can see the investment plans they have. Okay, so this platform actually promised to last for 365 days or more. Okay, so that is what they promise, or when they promise to last for. Okay, so right here you can see the first plan here is 30,000 naira plan. Okay, and it lasts for 60 days. Okay, so it actually lasts for 60 days. And the second plan right here is 10,000 naira plan. Okay, you can see right here, you can see 10,000 naira, and you can see right here 60 days. What you're going to be making daily is 833 naira, and in that 60 days time you're going to be making a total amount of 49,980 naira. Okay, so on the first one you're going to be making 250 naira daily. Okay, you're going to be making 250 naira daily and a total of 15,000 naira after 60 days or within the 60 days. Okay, so let me just scroll down and check some other plans. Okay, so this is another plan for 20,000 naira, and what you're going to be making on daily basis is 1,666 naira, and in the total of 60 days you're going to make up to 99,960. okay, that's almost 100k. Okay, so right here this is another plan for 50,000 naira, and you're going to be making 4,166 every day. Okay, and the total amount you're going to make in that 60 days is 249,960. okay, so this is another plan right here, which is the 100,000 plan, and right here you're going to be making 8,333 naira every day. Okay, so in the total of 60 days you're gonna make up to 499,980. that's almost 500k. Okay, so right here is another plan for 200k. you're gonna be making 16,666 every day, and a total of 999,000. okay, so this is another plan right here, which is the 500,000 plan. you're going to be making 41,666 every day, and a total of 2,499,960 in the 60 days interval. Okay, so right here this is 1 million plan. Okay, so this is a plan for 1M. you're going to be making 83,333 every day, and a total of for almost 5 million in the interval of the 60 days. so this is the highest plan here, which is 2 million naira, and on daily basis you're going to be making up to 166,660 right here. Okay, so guys, it actually depends on you. Okay, remember this is an investment platform, so make sure if you're investing, make sure you invest the amount you can afford to lose. Okay, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm only doing this because I've seen people that it works for, and I'm going to try it out. So I'm just going to invest a little token on this website. Okay, just gonna invest a little token. So I'm gonna make another video in a few days time showing you guys my withdrawal. Okay, so right here I'm gonna drop the link to sign up in the description of this video. So once you click on the link, you're just gonna sign up. So after signing up, you're gonna get 150 naira as a welcome bonus. Okay, so after doing that, you just have to fund your account, because there's no other way you can make money on this platform apart from investing. Okay, or if you have to refer people, and the people you refer invest, then you can make money. That's if you don't want to invest. Okay, but as a starter, you can just invest at least 3,000 naira on this platform and then check it out for yourself, and as time goes on you can withdraw more. Okay, this platform promises to last for more than 365 days. Okay, so within that 365 days you're gonna make a whole lot of money before the platform might crash or stop paid. Okay, so right now I'm just going to walk you through how you can deposit your funds on this account. Okay, so to deposit, you're just going to click on this option right here showing deposit. Okay, so once you click on it, it's going to direct you to a page. Okay, so you can see it is loading. Okay, so this is the deposit options you have. You can deposit through bank transfer and you can deposit through your USDT. Okay, so right here you can see the bank accounts and the options, the banks you can pay to right here. So this is I think this will be the easiest, which is Wema Bank. You can see the account number, you can see the account name. So let me just read through and then see the options they are given right here. Okay, so right here you can see the minimum amount you can invest on this platform is 3,000 naira and the maximum is 2 million naira. Okay, so right here you can see you just type in the amount you want to recharge here. Okay, so once you type in the amount, you just gonna go to your bank and then complete the transaction and then upload the file here. Okay, so once you upload the file, you come back and then click on deposit. Okay, so once you do that, it's just going to take few minutes and the money is going to be deposited to your bank account. Okay, sorry, to your dashboard. Okay, so I'm just going to try this out right now and then I'll show you guys. Okay guys, I just finished making the deposit to the account right here. Okay, I just deposited 3,000 naira. Okay, so I'm just gonna go back to my dashboard and see if it has appeared there already. Okay. Okay guys, like I said earlier that I deposited 3,000 naira. So you can see right here the money has been paid to my wallet right here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do right now is to just select this option and then buy the 3,000 naira bot. Okay, so once I just finish that, I'm gonna show you how you can withdraw your money on this platform and how you can create account as well. Okay, so if you're finding value in this video already, make sure you hit that like button and go on the comment section below. Tell me if you're gonna try this website out or not. Okay, and if you have any question, you can also drop it on the comment section below, or you can as well join my WhatsApp group. The link is in the description of this video. You can just join the group and then get to me on WhatsApp, ask me any question you want to ask me about any videos I've made earlier or about this one. Okay, so right here, if you're seeing my video for the first time on YouTube, I would say you should hit that subscribe button. Guys, we're on our way to 1k subscribers, so hit that subscribe button and make sure you turn on the bell notification, so whenever I drop new videos on this channel, you get notified by YouTube, so you can just watch and be the first to start making money on whichever platform I talk about. Okay, so guys, remember this is an investment platform and it is very risky. So if you're investing on any of this package, make sure you invest what you can afford to lose. Okay, so I'm just gonna scroll down and then select this option showing hire robots right here. Okay, so you can see it's gonna last for 60 days and every day I'm gonna be making 250 naira. Okay, so you can as well select any of the package you like depending on the amount you're willing to invest. Okay, so I'm just gonna click on this. I'm actually doing this as a tutorial, so I'm just gonna click on this right now. You can see, are you sure you want to proceed with this request? It cannot be reversed when done. Okay, so you can see right here, and I'm just going to click on OK. Okay, I'm just going to click on OK and you can see it is loading. Okay, right here you can see successfully hired 365 days 3,000 naira robot. Okay, you can see it has start running already. Okay, it has start running. The profit is going to come in 24 hours time. Okay, it's just going to come automatically. You don't have to do anything for it to be added to your dashboard. Okay, so right here you can see the 3,000 naira has been deducted from my account. Now it has gone back to 150 naira. Okay, and that is because I've actually invested. And one sweet thing about this website is once you have up to 1,000 naira here, you can be able to withdraw directly to your bank account. Okay, so right here, once you have up to 1,000 naira, trust me, you can be able to withdraw to any bank account you provide the details on this platform. Okay, so I'm just gonna log out right now and then show you how you can create an account for yourself. Okay, so remember, you're gonna be using the link in the description of this video to sign up. Okay, that's gonna make your sign up easier for you. Okay, so I'm just gonna click on this button right here and then log out. So I'll just show you how you can create an account for yourself. Okay, another sweet thing about this platform is that you can actually withdraw your money anytime you like. Okay, you can withdraw even if it is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday till Sunday. Anytime you like, you can actually withdraw. Okay, it doesn't require much steps. Okay, but I'm still going to show you how you can withdraw. So before then, let me quickly show you how you can sign up. Okay, so this is the sign up page. Once you click on the link in the description of this video, you're going to be directed here. So what you want to do is to put in your first name right here. Okay, you put in your first name, you put in your last name. Make sure you use your real name. Okay, so because if you invest or if you deposit on this platform, they're going to check your real name with the name you used to deposit. Okay, so if it doesn't look the same, it might delay before the money displays on your dashboard. Okay, so make sure you use your real name. So right here you just put in your phone number. Right here you select a username, and here you put in your email address. You create a password right here, and then you confirm your password here. Okay, so right here is sponsor code, which is the code that is going to show up right here after you use my link to sign up. Okay, so the code is just going to show up automatically. Okay, so once you're done with all this process, you're just going to click on sign up. Okay, so once you click on this sign up, it's going to direct you to your dashboard. Okay, if you want to join their WhatsApp group where you're going to see more updates of withdrawal, payments and everything, you're just going to click on this option. So once you click on this WhatsApp icon, it's going to direct you to their WhatsApp group. Okay, so guys, after creating an account, you're just gonna be directed back here. Okay, so then you can follow the process I showed you earlier to just deposit on this platform and then buy any of the bots for yourself, and trust me, your money will just start reading. And if after every 24 hours, the daily payment is going to be added to your dashboard, and once you have up to 1000 naira, you can withdraw, and they don't even charge for withdrawal. Okay, so let me quickly show you how you can withdraw. Okay, so if you want to withdraw your earning, you just come right here, click on this option showing withdraw. Okay, so once you click on it, it's going to load and then direct you to a page. Okay, so right here on the page you can see my main balance is 150 naira, so I can't be able to withdraw right now. Okay, so right here they are asking me for withdrawal method, so I'm just going to select this. Okay, you can see the minimum withdrawal right here is 1000 and the maximum is 500,000. Okay, okay, if you want to withdraw, you click on this option. It's going to ask if you want to withdraw from your main balance or from your bonus account. This bonus account is actually for those who you refer. Okay, so if you refer them, that is where the bonus comes from, and then you can actually withdraw that one as well if it gets up to 1000 naira. Okay, so here you're just going to type in the amount you want to withdraw, and then you're going to click on this withdraw option, and the money is going to be paid directly to your bank account. Okay, okay, you can see the process is very simple. Okay, so to refer your friends or anybody that is interested on the platform, you're just going to copy your referral link. Okay, and once anybody signs up using your link and they deposit on this platform, you're going to get 10% on any amount they deposit on this platform. Okay, so guys, make sure you try this website out. Okay, so I'm going to be making another video once I make my withdrawals on this platform. I'm gonna make another video so you guys can see and then believe for real that this website is actually working. Okay, you don't have to do anything special, just invest and then check after 24 hours. It's gonna automatically be added right here on your dashboard. Okay, so if you find value in this video, make sure you hit that like button, and also if you're seeing my video for the first time on YouTube, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because we're on our way to 1k subscriber, guys. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so whenever I drop videos like this, you just be the first to watch and then start making for yourself. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.